I am Rajshekar Kolli. I hold several ServiceNow mainline and micro certifications, along with process-based certifications such as ITIL, ITSM, and Agile methodologies. I had the opportunity to implement a broad range of ServiceNow products across various domains, delivering impactful solutions to complex challenges. This is a video series about ServiceNow's service catalogs. The learning objectives of this video series are numerous. We will start by understanding what service catalogs are and how end users can access service catalog items from portals and platforms. What are the key components of service catalogs? How to build new catalog items and what to consider when creating catalog items? What are the different configurations that can be used for achieving the required validations and automations? Complete understanding of order guides, record producers, and also we will look into what content items are and their uses. Service catalogs are one of the self-service abilities where users can request services and resources from business units. To access service portals or Employee Center, navigate to all. Under self-service, click on Employee Center or Service Portal. Employee Center portal is open in a new window. Expand the taxonomy to see the child topics. Click on any of the child topics to see the catalog items associated with that topic. For this demonstration, let us click on computers. Let's try to order sales laptop. For that, click on sales laptop catalog item. You can see the title, short description, and the variables of the catalog item. Variables help the developers to automate the fulfillment process in a logical manner. Variables also help fulfillers better understand the end user's request. Once all the variables are filled in, click on Order Now button to submit the request. You can notice the request is created. Structure of service catalogs and service requests. ServiceNow may have one or more catalogs. It is the central repository where all services offered by the organization are available. Each catalog contains several categories where catalog items are grouped logically. Each category contains multiple catalog items that are configured with different variables, prices, and different fulfillment processes. Let's look at some catalogs, categories, and catalog items in ServiceNow. To access service catalogs, click on All menu. In the navigation filter, search for Catalogs under Service Catalog application menu. Click on the Catalogs module. Now click on a catalog to view the different categories that are available within this catalog. Let's try to order a sales laptop. Now click on hardware category to view different catalog items grouped under this category. Let's try to order sales laptop. Click on sales laptop catalog item. You can notice it is configured with several variables and price. Once all the required variables are filled in, click on Order Now button to submit the request. You may notice the request is created. Every request is associated with one or more requested items. Every requested item is associated with one or more catalog tasks. Requested item and catalog tasks may have SLAs associated to them. Also may have set of approvals, custom notifications, and integrations as per the defined process automation using flow or workflow. To learn about the process automation using Flow Designer, a link is provided in the description below. Variable sets are a collection of variables that you can reuse across multiple catalog items. To create a variable set, click on All menu. In the navigation filter, type Variable Sets. Click on Variable Sets under Service Catalog, Catalog Variables. Click on New button. Variable sets are two types: single row variable set and multi-row variable set. Click on Single Row Variable Set. Give a meaningful name to the variable set. Save the variable set. Navigate to the variables related list. Click on New to add variables to the variable set. Define all the variable attributes. For this example, I'm selecting single line text and order as 10. Enter a question. Question is the text users will see, so make sure it is user friendly. Fill in other attributes as required. To learn more about variables, a link is provided in the description below. Submit the variable. Now let us attach the variable set to a catalog item. Navigate to Included in Related List. Click on Edit. Select the catalog item in which the variable set needs to be included. For this demonstration, I am selecting Loaner Laptop catalog item. Click on Save. Let's test the catalog item to see if the variable set is included. Click on All. In the navigation filter, type Service Catalog. Click on Service Catalog under Self-Service application menu. Search for the loaner laptop and open the catalog item to ensure the variable set we configured is displayed. That's it. We have successfully created and attached a variable set to a catalog item. How to create multi-row variable set? To create a variable set, click on All menu. Type variable set in the navigation filter. Click on variable sets under Service Catalog, Catalog Variables. Click on New button and select multi-row variable set. Multi-row variable set is a collection of variables that are displayed in a tabular format. Enter a title to the variable set. Save the variable set. Navigate to Variables Related List. Click on Add Variables to the variable set. Select the type of the variable and give an order. Enter a question. Question is the text users will see, so make sure it is user-friendly. For this demonstration, I will enter the question as specify the software name. Fill in other attributes as required. To learn more about variables, a link is provided in the description below. Submit the variable and create a couple of other variables as well. So I'm creating two date variables, one as start date and the other one as end date for the availability of the software. Now let us attach the variable set to the catalog items. Navigate to Included in Related List. Click on Edit and select the catalog item in which the variable set needs to be included. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Loaner Laptop catalog item. Click on Save. Let's test the catalog item to see if the variable set is included. Go to the Service Catalog under Self-Service application menu. Search for the Loaner Laptop catalog item. Open the catalog item to ensure the multi-row variable set is displayed. To add variables to the multi-row variable set, click on Add button. Give a software name. Select the start date and end date for the availability of the software. Let us add a couple more softwares. To edit any of the softwares, click on the pencil button on the left side of the row and save. To delete a row, just click on the Remove Row button. This will remove the row from the multi-row variable set. To remove all the variables, all the rows, click on Remove All button on the variable set. This will remove all the multi-row variables from the multi-row variable set. We have successfully created a multi-row variable set and attached it to a catalog item. Catalog items can be developed in a couple of ways. One from native platform and the other from the catalog builder. A link to learn about catalog builder is provided in the description below. On how to build catalog items from the native platform. To create a catalog item, click on All menu. In the navigation filter, search for Maintain Items module under Service Catalog application menu. Click on Maintain Items module. Click on New. Enter a name or title for a catalog item. Select the catalog and category in which the catalog item should be available. Enter a short description and detailed description of the product or service. In the Process Engine tab, select the appropriate process engine for the catalog item. Note, only one engine can be selected. For this example, let's select a flow. A link to learn about Flow Designer is provided in the description below. In the picture tab, upload an image as an icon and a picture for display. In the pricing tab, define the cost and recurring price of the item. In the portal settings tab, define the portal widget settings. Save the form, catalog item is created, and click on try to view the catalog item. I will explain about Catalog Builder. To launch Catalog Builder application, click on All menu. In the navigation filter, search for Catalog Builder module. Under Service Catalog application menu, click on Catalog Builder module. Using Catalog Builder, we can create catalog items and catalog item templates. Click on Create a new catalog item button on Catalog Builder dashboard. Click on Continue button. Select a template. Click on Use this item template. Enter a name or title of the catalog item. Enter a short description and detailed description of the product or service. Click on Continue to Location button. Edit the selected categories in which the catalog should be available. In this case, I am making the catalog item available in hardware category. Click on Save. Edit the selected topics to make it available in the Employee Center. I am making it available in Technology Services under Hardware topic. Click on Save. Click on Continue to Questions button. Insert new question or question sets in single or double column container. Fill in question attributes depending on the selected question type, like information, additional details, default values, auto-populate, and annotations as required. Click on Insert Question. Click on Continue to Settings, where you can configure the portal widget settings. Click on Continue to Access to define available for and not available for user criteria. Click on Fulfillment button. Select a flow to automate the fulfillment process. Click on Preview button to preview a catalog item in portal and mobile views. Close the preview window. Click on Submit button to create the catalog item. Click on Return to Dashboard button. You can notice the catalog item is created. How to build catalog item template for a standard catalog item. Click on Create a new catalog item template button on the Catalog Builder dashboard. Select Standard and click on Continue in Select Your Item dialog box. Enter a name and short description for a template in Template Details Basic Info section. In Template Available for section, click on Browse and add the user criteria as required and click on Save Selection. In this case, I'm selecting any user so that the catalog item can be accessed by all the users. Click on Save. If template available for section is left blank, then the template is available for all the users with Catalog Builder Editor role. In the Details tab, fill the value that needs to be auto-populated on the catalog item, like name, short description, and detailed description. In the Location tab, define the catalog, category, and topics where the catalog should be available in the Employee Center. Variable sets are defined in the Questions tab. We may select the existing variable sets using Select Question Sets button, or we may also insert new variables by clicking on Insert button. In the Settings tab, define the desired portal settings. In the Access tab, browse and select the user criteria to define available for and not available for user criteria. In the fulfillment method, select the process engine. For this demonstration, let us choose Flow Designer. Select the flow. In Overrides tab, Can Edit section define the variables that can be edited while creating the catalog item using this template. In Must Specify section, define a mandatory field that must be filled while creating the catalog item using this template. Click on Continue to review and submit. Go back to the Catalog Builder dashboard, switch to Catalog Item Templates. You can see the catalog item template we have created. I will explain how to perform various configurations for a catalog item. For this demonstration, I will use the catalog item created in the previous. All the configurations for a catalog item can be done from the catalog item related list. Different variables can be created in the variables related list. A link to learn about different types of variables is provided in the description below. Variable sets are the collection of variables that can be configured for multiple catalog items. These variable sets can be configured within variable sets related list. Catalog UI policies are client-side logics to control the visibility, read-only, and mandatory behavior of the variable. A link to learn about the UI policies is provided in the description below. Catalog client scripts are the JavaScripts that are executed on the client side. These catalog client scripts can be created within catalog client script related list. A link to learn about catalog client script is provided in the description below. Available for and not available for related lists are used to configure the user criteria to make a catalog item available or not available for particular users. Catalog items can be added to multiple catalogs and categories using catalogs and categories related list. Catalog data lookup definitions can be created using catalog data lookup definitions related list. A link to learn about data lookup definitions is provided in the description below. Knowledge articles related to the catalog item can be configured in the related articles related list. Catalog items can be linked to taxonomy and topics to make it accessible from Employee Center using assigned topics. How to configure an order guide in ServiceNow. Order guides allow administrators to bundle multiple items into a single request, making service processes more efficient. For example, onboarding, where users may need to request laptops, softwares, and credentials all at once. Instead of individual items, we can bundle these items to an order guide, making the process simpler and easier for the end users. Now let's create an order guide. Click All menu. In the navigation filter, type Order Guide. Click Order Guides under Service Catalog, Catalog Definition. Click New to create a new order guide. Enter a meaningful name. Select the catalog and category where the order guide will be available. So for this example, I am selecting Service Catalog and the category as Hardware. Provide a short description and detailed description. You can also add an icon or a picture as required. To skip the summary page, select the two-step checkbox and save the record. In the variables related list, add variables that will define the rule-based conditions. Under variable sets related list, add any necessary variable sets. Use the rule-based related list to bundle catalog items. For this demo, I'm using VMware Fusion, Windows Surface Pro, and new certificate items. Fill in the position and the condition in which the catalog item should be available. If you want to cascade the answers from the order guide variables into individual items, select Cascade Variables option. Click on Save. Now let's test the order guide we have created. Click on Try It. Fill in the variables in the Describe Needs section. Click on Choose Options. Items will appear based on the user inputs. With Cascade Variables enabled, you will notice that some of the variables cascaded into the item section. Click Checkout, and the request is created without showing the summary page, as we have selected two-step checkout. You can notice a single request is created and with all the items that were bundled up in the order guide. How to configure a record producer in ServiceNow. A record producer is a type of catalog item that allows users to create task-based records. It simplifies the user experience by presenting a form and automating record creation. Now let's create a record producer. Click on All menu. In the navigation filter, type Record Producer. Click Record Producers under Service Catalog, Catalog Definition. Click New to create a new record producer. Give a meaningful name. Define a table in which the data should be submitted and a record has to be created. Provide a short description and description for the record producer. Add an icon and picture for the record producer as required. Save the record. In the variables related list, add required variables. You can map a field from record producer to the target table by selecting Map to Field checkbox. In the field section, select the field to which the data has to be mapped. Click on Submit. Let's create one more variable. In this case, instead of mapping to a field, let's use a dynamic script to auto-populate the data to the submitted record. Producer and current are the two global objects available in record producer scripts. Producer object contains all the variables of the record producer, and current object contains all the field values of the record to which the data is submitted. Save the record. You can make a record producer available by selecting the catalog and category from the related lists of the record producer. For this demonstration, I am selecting Service Catalog. And hardware category. Let's test the record producer we just created. Click on Try It. Fill in the form fields. Click on Submit. And the system will automatically create a record in the specified table. Verify the newly created record to ensure all the fields are populated correctly. I will explain how to build catalog item template for a record producer using Catalog Builder. To launch Catalog Item Builder application, click on All menu. In the navigation filter, search for Catalog Builder module. Under Service Catalog application menu, click on Catalog Builder module. Click on Create a new catalog item template button on the Catalog Builder dashboard. Select Record Producer and click on Continue in Select Your Item dialog box. Enter a name and short description for the template in Template Details Basic Info section. In the template available for section, click on Browse and add the user criteria as required and click on Save Selection. If the template available for section is left blank, then the template is available for all the users with Catalog Builder Editor role. In Details tab, fill the value that needs to be auto-populated on the catalog item. In Destination tab, select the table in which the record has to be created. So in this case, I'm selecting Incident Table. In the Location tab, define the catalog category and topics where the catalog item should be displayed. In Variable sets are defined in the Questions tab. We may select the existing variable set using Select Question Sets button, or we may also insert new variables by clicking on the Insert button. In the Settings tab, define the desired portal settings. In the Access tab, browse and select the user criteria to define available for and not available for criteria. In Overrides tab, Can Edit section, define the variables that can be edited while creating the catalog item using this template. In Must Specify section, define the mandatory fields that must be filled in while creating the catalog item using this template. Click on Continue to review and Submit to review the template. Click on Submit button to create the catalog item templates. Go back to the Catalog Builder dashboard, switch to Catalog Item Templates. You can see the catalog item template we have created. How to configure a content item in ServiceNow. Content items are catalog items designed to link to external or internal resources like knowledge articles, modules, service catalogs, and external web pages. They allow users to access to essential resources right from the catalog page. To create a content item, click on All menu. In the navigation filter, type Content Item. Click on Content Item under Service Catalog, Catalog Definitions. Click on New to create a new content item. Enter a name that clearly describes the purpose of the content item. Choose the catalog and category in which the content item will appear. For this example, I am selecting Service Catalog and category as Can we help you? Provide a short description to give users context on what the item offers. Select an icon for the content item. Select the content type as external content and target as new window. Enter a URL for the external page that you want the users to navigate to. Save the content item. Let's test the content item we just created. Click on All. In the navigation filter, type Service Catalog. Click on Service Catalog under Self-Service. Click on Can we help you category. Click on the content item we just created. So as you click on the content item, it navigates to the page or the URL that we have provided as an external link. Thank you for watching.